Hi guys, I'm James from JW Waters Plumbing and Heating. Today I'm here with the Professional Plumbing and Heating Installer magazine, and I'm here to install a shower screen. I'm going to take you through the installation and give my opinion on how easy it is to fit. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.
So today we're here to fit a shower screen for this shower here, which I finished tiling yesterday. I'm going to be using the Verve Pro from Flair. It comes in two colours. It's silver or black. We've opted for silver to match the shower towel rail and taps. It's also 1.9 metres high, which gives you a lot of height coverage. The toughened glass is 6mm thick, which will give you a nice, strong, sturdy shower screen. Flair have come up with a click fit design, which will make the installation so much easier. It also apparently has quick release roller wheels, so that should make the installation of the door simple and fast. And usually when I fit a shower screen, I bring someone with me. However, on this installation, I can fit this on my own. Well, that's what they say. So let's see how we get on. So this is the new click fit design from Flair. As you can see, that's as easy as it is. It slots in, and this little mechanism here clicks into the profile. It all fits together seamlessly. Just like that. This is actually really simple. We can clip that in together there and there. So you can really tell that Flair have got the installer in mind. I've opened the box maybe 2 minutes, had a quick read through the instructions, and the screen's together. So I've just unboxed it, had a quick look at the product. It's clearly quality, and it comes with a 20-year guarantee to back that up.
So now I'm going to put the screen in place to mark where the holes need to go.
So now the screen's moved out of the way, we can drill our holes that we marked. Whenever I drill holes in a shower screen, I always use a wipe just to catch any of the dust, just to make cleaning up a little bit easier. That's the wheels. So just unpacked all the fixings. So we need six screws, 6 plugs, and 6 screw caps. So we'll go and pop those on the shower screen now. Often when you fit a shower screen, you often get poor quality red plugs. Just looking at these now, the quality is much better and it's more of a premium product. Now I'm just going to get it into position to line up with the fixings. So just using the set square now just to make sure we've got the same distance all the way along. So as long as you've got your measurements right for the tray and the gap between the screen, it'll fit in as easy as that. All I'm going to do now is pop some screws in and fix it in place. These little caps just pop over these screws I've popped in the profile just to hide the screw head and make it look a little bit neater.
So now I'm going to put the shower door together. Again, you can see that Flair have the installer in mind because the installation manual is so clear and easy to follow. I'm just going to screw the wheels into place, and just feeling them, they seem really good quality.
Yeah, now all the wheels are on, we'll fit the handle. And again, you can tell this is quality because it's made from metal, whereas some of the cheaper products you'll find will be made from plastic.
Finally, I'm going to screw the handle into place. Okay, so now I'm going to carefully carry the door into the bathroom and slot it into place. Just like that. Perfect.
And that's as simple as it is. You locate the 2 wheels on the top of the frame, and then you've got 2 springs on the bottom, and it's lovely and smooth to slide. So we just put the trims on now, just to stop any water coming outside of the screen when you're in the shower. So look how smooth the door closes. So we've just got a silicone up around the outside of the screen, and we're done. So the shower enclosure comes with a extra support bar, which can be fitted in 3 different places, depending on where your shower outlet is. So I've just marked that now, and I'm going to cut that to length and get that fitted. So now the bar's cut to length. All you've got to do is tighten the grub screws up. Having the stability bar in on such a large enclosure just gives you a bit of peace of mind with it being so big that if anyone does fall into it, that the screen's not going to shatter or smash. So there we go, we've just finished the installation of the shower door and it's gone absolutely seamlessly. The click fit mechanism is really, really good to use and it makes life so much easier when you're fitting a shower door on your own. I actually did manage to fit it by myself, so Flair weren't wrong. If you'd like more product information, follow the links below. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.